Joy, can you even listen to yourself? Eh? We are talking about the commodity I bought at a very high price. Ejimegum, I paid completely without owing your people. Ejim, your people ogwo. Eh? Kambacha pipe now, Brunsubu. Eh? Why are you doing like this now?
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, fine. Wait, stand up from the chair because you will spoil the chair now. You spoil the chair. So go to the room and sleep, eh?
No, the room self will spoil. Because let me just lie on the floor.
Hey, now. Do you want to spoil the tiles? I join a room. Okay, fine. The pipe will smoke and get water. Then I will allow you to sleep.
But small, man, no water anymore. But can I bend now?
Bend again.
What's in your house will spoil? Can I bend now?
In a Jeben Nage, what about the money I paid on your head?
I will pay you back. I will pay you back, yes.
When? Now, Kita.
No, it's not Kita. I have to work and pay you back.
No, fine. Since you're not paying it now, can I go inside? Oh, and Miss Baba Mbiga Kugo.
But I don't.
When did he? Let's go. Let's go. When you did it now, what's your problem? Okay, small. Leave me alone! When did it now? Hey! Joy.
Oh yeah, start moving your people so.
Oh yeah, now. Then now, make it.
You want to rape me again? You want to rape me again?
You want to tell the whole world I used to rape you every night? Is that what you want? Eh?
Hey, calm down now. Leave me alone. I regret it that I met you. I regret it that I met you. I regret it. Oh my God, we punish you. Oh my God, we punish you. Oh my God, we punish you. Maybe to marry this man.
Wait. Eh? You know, once I hit you now, you start crying. It will make it sweeter. Okay, just.
Please don't. Hey! You want to rape me? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What's up, my boy?
I'm okay.
What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what?
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Where are you packing your things to?
Tom, you are not blind. You can obviously see what I am doing. There is no need for that question.
So I am now a stupid person asking stupid questions, right? Oh, well, I don't care what you think you are doing. But whatever it is, you can't just leave my house until I say so.
Says who?
I say so.
Tom, the last time I checked, I am human. I have a life. I have a right to live. I have a right to make choices for myself. You won't stop me from leaving this house.
You must be joking. Oh, okay, I see what you're expecting. You're expecting me to roll on the floor and start begging you, isn't it? Well, that will not happen. And if you want to leave, you can pack your things, but you will keep it here until I say so. And then if you want to leave officially, let us have a divorce so that you can leave and let me know that I'm done with you. What is it?
It's fine. If that is the way you want it.
Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain.
You shut up. Don't talk when I'm talking. Don't you dare tell me that. What kind of rubbish is it? I am talking to you, you should listen to me. When did all this start? You don't talk back at me?
What was the noise all about?
Can you imagine that girl waking up this morning and telling me that she wants to leave my house? On what basis?
So let her go. What is she still doing here? She should leave already. She's not even needed here. Let her go back to the bacha where she belongs.
Well, Mom, she can't just leave like that. If she wants to leave, then let's make it official.
So make it official. All you need to do is call the marriage counselor. In fact, go there now. Have her start the proceedings. What's the big deal? She should get out. She's not even needed here. She should go back to the bacha where she belongs.
All right, Mom. I'll stop at Sonia's and then ask her to start the divorce proceeding as well.
More like it. More like it. Wait. You'll be running for House of Reps next year.
Yes, well, what has that got to do with anything?
A lot, my dear. A lot. Come close. You're a budding politician. You need to learn from the mistakes of the older ones. It's called wisdom.
Okay.
Now, any mistake that you make, any dent on you, your opponent can use it against you. It's called common strategy.
Okay.
A divorce is a very big dent on your portfolio. Your opponent can use it against you, and for all you know, you can get disqualified.
Okay. That's true. So how do I handle it? Should I just go in there and tell her to, okay, there's no divorce, you're not going anywhere until...
You will divorce her, but on one condition. What I need us to do.
You want a divorce, right?
Yes, if that is what you want as well.
Okay. So, I'll stop at Sonia's place and have her start the divorce proceeding immediately. But that is on one condition.
Which is?
We will sign the divorce papers and be divorced, but we'll still stay together.
I don't get you, Tom.
Well, you would pack your things and go to the guest room. I will get another wife. You can stop all your wifely duties. No cleaning, no washing, nothing. Right? And then you automatically still have food, water, shelter, and even your car. And your monthly salary stays intact, everything, up until August.
This is September, Tom.
I'm talking about August next year.
And this is to what end?
Political reasons.
Fine.
Where are you taking your things to?
My new room. Excuse me. I left my phone.
Should I walk away? Should I give it a break? Should I fight it out? Should I walk away? I'm dying in silence. I'm dying in silence. I thought they say that marriage is a beautiful thing, but mine is different. Yeah. But mine is different. Oh my God, please help me, oh. Baby, show me some love. Show me some love, baby, more. Show me some love. I need your attention. I'm not asking too much. Show me some love. I need your pampering, baby. Baby, show me some love. I'm not asking for much. Show me some love.
Any problem?
One more thing. This whole arrangement does not affect your next trip to be with our kids come this summer. But I want you to understand that you must not, for any reason, disclose to them our new status. They must not be aware that we are divorced. At least not yet. Until their feeble mind is developed enough to handle the news. Is that understood?
Deal. Anything else?
No. Whatever comes up, I'll let you know as soon as possible.
Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Should I walk away? Should I give it a break? Should I fight it out?
As it is now, the very point I am now, I just want to have peace. I want to leave this marriage and have peace. Let my sanity be intact because I'm going crazy.
Then, go for an official divorce.
Divorce?
Yes.
No. I don't have that time. I don't have that kind of time because I just want to pack my things, leave that house quietly. I don't want problems. Like, I don't have the strength anymore. Seriously, I don't.
That you're no longer living with him doesn't guarantee that you're no longer his wife. Yes. That you're no longer living with him doesn't guarantee you're no longer his wife. You're still his wife until the law says otherwise.
The law?
Yes, of course. See, your marriage certificate can only be rendered null and void by the law court. And until that is being done, you're still his lawful wedded wife.
How do I go about that?
Meet that same Sonia. That's part of her job. She will help you to process the necessary papers and all that. And mind you, you will benefit from it monetarily. Yes, you benefit from it. Yes.
Thank you so much for this advice, because this is actually a huge relief. Thank you.
You're welcome, my dear. At least, let me make up for the first one that did not work.
Stop.
Is this how love treat me, I'm in pain.
Yeah, when did it? I'm Barapi Ogabe Bumbede, Ota, Kai Kona Mbede. Alright. We do the one neck.
I want to discuss something with you.
Is that why you can't even greet me?
Sorry. Good afternoon. I want a divorce. Like I'm tired of all this mess. This mess of a marriage. I'm tired. I want to just live in peace.
You see, yeah, bro. If I book and if I Abakasara, you understand. Bro, if I if you want to go, you go now. Huh? Thank God you know where you kept your bags. Take your bags and go. Yes. Another thing is that once you leave this place, tell your people to return all the money I spent on your head. Makanon kege soku. Makam bata di ambuwa madisi. Mwa wogologo mara adekwa meji ego egwu mo ifa mbata mbuwa madisi.
Well understood. But to make it more flexible for you to understand, I'm not just leaving. I'm going to make it official. I'll go to the court to get divorce papers.
Oh, you're just saying this one now, could be mapum now. No, Nuzie court could be mapum. See, let me tell you something. If you want to go, I am not holding you one bit. I am not holding you. You can do whatever you want to do. I don't care. And now let me tell you, there are beautiful girls, beautiful ladies out there looking for who to marry them. And now you're here rubbing shoulders with me. Yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Let me tell you, if you leave this house now, 7 days, 7 days, I'll bring in a new wife. And no Jupiter will make me accept you back.
Like I care. Excuse me.
You see? Go now. Who cares, F? See, me, as a big boy, there are so many girls that will just come to me and they are even willing to do anything I ask them to do. Now, what's up, pipe? Let's enjoy it. Now, what's up, pipe? Let's enjoy it. You're here rubbing shoulders. In fact, go. Come to Zike. Sonny. Can you imagine? Can you imagine Joy waking up to tell me that she wants divorce? Joy telling me that she wants to divorce me. Can you imagine that?
Imagine children of these days.
No, Sonny Bruce, this has nothing to do with children of nowadays. You see, there are still girls out there with proper home training. She's the one who refused to be trained by her mother. If at all the mother tries to train her in the first place. Okay, that's it. I am tired of all these things.
Okay, what did you tell her?
What else? See, I told her if she wants to go, let her go. At least let me put myself together and get a better woman for myself.
Like you say, let her go. What the fuck is happening? What easy? It is not that easy. Like you say, simple.
Let me tell you something, Sonny Cruz. Whether you believe it or not, I still have to tell you there are better ladies out there with proper home training. Okay, now look at Chiamaka. Chiamaka, you know Chiamaka na the one her mother sells food in our line. She answers me, sir. She's too beautiful. She's respectful. She can never collect anything from me with one hand. She always uses two hands with bended knees. But the woman I married, I pay her bills, I give her money anytime she wants it. She cannot respect me one bit. No, let her go. See, Sonny, let her go. Let her go. Let me rest.
Man, Nigerian. Only in a Kumaketa on achieve an achieve. It will remain only one thing for the person to lick your ass. See, but I have to tell you as my friend, calm down. Just calm down.
I don't have to calm down. I don't have to calm. See, I don't. In fact, you know, I've told her the day she leaves my house, 1 week, just 1 week, I'll get a better woman to replace her, and that is what I must do. I can't continue this way.
I'm gonna go Maya. Ndi Boneku and I said, "This boy can't want them." They also say that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't even know. I will advise you as a friend for you, just calm down. Put things in order. The man you be now. Yeah? Just sort things out with her. If you keep on saying you pursue her and marry another person, then if you marry that person that you want to marry, you know better that person. Eh? Or better. Then you still pursue her. Then I get another person. Yeah? You know, after 1 week, you know what?
Fine.
Do you understand?
Let me tell you something. If you are expecting me to beg Joy not to go, you are a liar. I won't beg her. I won't beg her. See, if she has made up her mind to go, let her go. And let me still tell you one thing. You know, you talked about the devil you know, or the angel you don't know. No! Sometimes the angels you don't know, when they come into your life, they bring light into your life.
And when they come in, you're begging her or not, you are still the man. Do the right thing. Now, I am just talking to you as a friend, and please, that's the only thing I have to say.
Have your drink. See, I'm done. I'm done. Let her go if she wants. Let her go. See, Sonny Bruce. The only thing I want now is for them to gather all the money I spent on her head and give it to me. Yes. Let them give me that money. And why are you laughing now? No, what is funny? Why are you laughing?
The fact is that you must be joking.
I am not joking. I am not joking. I am not joking, Sonny. Why would I be joking with such a delicate matter? I am serious. Let them give me that money if she's not interested.
Okay. Ogonogo Maya, as my friend, let me ask you. Who will give you back the money? Is it the father of the girl? The Umona? The Umada? The Indaratradi? Or the youth that whenever you get married to anybody you want to marry, they wait for you beside the gate. If you don't settle them, so who is going to give you the money?
Let me tell you, any of them can provide the money. Any of them can provide the money. See, both Lutaradio, Omona, or whatever. Any of them can gather the money and give to me. Any of them can bring. Wait. Are you telling me I should forget about that money? All the money I spent there? Are you expecting me to leave all the money I spent there? Up to 1.something million naira. I should leave it? No. I'll draw possible. I
am still saying the same thing. That's the same reason you should say no to divorce. Do you understand? You must say no to divorce. Because the money you're talking about now, yeah? They will not even give you back the money. The only money I'm sure they are going to give you is the money you paid for the bride price, which will not even be up to 200 naira. How much did you pay? Did you tell me as a friend when you paid the money? I did not know. So, when you're talking about the money, maybe they will give you 200 naira or 500 naira. You should think about it. Oh yeah, make it noise. You remember what we got.
See, let me tell you. See, it's not that I am supporting her to go. But I can't beg her now. I must not beg her. If she has made up her mind to go, she can go, but I can't tell her to go. I can't tell her to go.
Fine.
Joy, I want to enter.
Land of Canaan. Enter now.
Why are you acting like... Is this not my property? It's my thing now. Let me...
I have told you several times that I am done with this marriage. I am done. Like, I'm so done with this marriage. I've told you before, right? Let me be.
Fine and good. But you're still living in my house. As long as you still live under my roof, I will do this anytime, any day. This is my property. After all, I bought it at a high price.
You want to do? Or Abi? You want to do? I know what I will do to you. I will tell my lawyers to give me a court injunction to make you stop raping me at your will. Yes, until when the divorce papers are ready. Then your eye will not be open. I'm very serious.
Oh, okay. Good. Fine. See then. Can I enter now? Come on.
You want to do?
Yes.
You want to do?
Maju.
Want to do?
No,
you want to do now?
Yes.
Come and do.
Come and do. Come and do. Do. Come and do. What to do? Wait.
Come and do now.
Come on. Okay.
Do. Let me pull it. Do.
Calm down. Let me just help you.
No, don't worry. I want a divorce.
Madam, well, we don't encourage intending couples who are seeking for divorce to go ahead with it. We tried every possible means to discourage them from getting a divorce. But you know, some men can be very frustrating. My God, like, some men are actually real life devil incarnates. Especially the hellish man you're living with.
Oh, you already know my husband.
You see, the other day he was here. One of the worst days of my life. Because he rained all manner of abuses on me.
What? I'm sorry, but I came back here. You didn't act like that.
My sister, I am a bomb professional. I wasn't only doing the job you paid me to do. It's called minding the business that pays you.
Oh, good. Okay, now that you know my husband, makes it easier. Okay, if you were to be in my shoes, what advice would you give to me? Like, what would you have me do?
Well, I'm going to be honest with you right now. You are the only one wearing this shoe, so obviously you know where he hurts most. If you can no longer condone his excesses, I would advise you run away before he with your life. You know? Yeah, because that man I saw stop beating you up.
No, my husband could be anything. It could be anything miserable or anything stupid. But to hit a woman, nah. He has just this problem of his mouth. He does not talk. He's an illiterate, stark illiterate. Yeah, but to hit a woman, nah. It can't even hurt a fly. You know, it's not. Oh, Golo that I know, it's not like that. It's not. It's not.
You are his wife. You know him better than anyone else. So if you say so, fine. But I hope you understand that some verbal abuses hurts more than physical abuse. Right?
Exactly the reason I want to divorce him.
Since you've already made up your mind on getting a divorce, I am here to help you get that. Divorce you shall get, woman.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Should I walk away? Should I give it a break?
Good afternoon.
You've got me Ghana. Guess I'm with you, Ghana. What is here?
Open and read.
From who?
From my lawyer and solicitor. That is the divorce papers from the court I told you about.
Hey, Joy, see why I like you, eh? You are smart. So you have finally connived with your criminal lawyer to plot this, eh? Gente, let me tell you, I still stand on what I told you. If you have made up your mind to go, fine and good, leave the house. And I'm still telling you that I give you 7 days. 7 days, 7 days. I'll bring in a new wife. And nothing will make me accept you back. Nothing will make me accept you back. So if you're anything you're doing now, be careful, be careful, be careful.
Thank you.
I say thank you. And I say thank you, no nyem divorce letter. Because I say thank you, now try divorce. It's okay. Just pick it up. Look at it. Look at it.
This girl is not joking. No. What the Cameroonian employee and the powers and care men and keep as well.
That is the same girl you want me to beg to stay back. No. See, my mind is made up. You can't go now. You can't go for this marriage.
She will regret all these things she's doing. And I'm going to when tomorrow comes, she will say, had I known. She will regret all these things that she's doing. And that time, why had to go too late? Let
me tell you, me, I know that she will regret it. But by that time, it's going to be late. It will be too late for us to make amend.
I'm going to know too. Yeah? By 046.
And whatever she like, let her do.
Hey! But you know, I wish I can just call her and, you know, talk sense into her and let me know if she can come back to her senses.
These things, it's not my business.
But to me, there's no point of calling her. Right here, no point of calling her.
One number is good. But you're not picking out the lamp or sag full time.
Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain.
Sweetheart, I'm ready for work. Your breakfast is ready and the bulk water is in the small flask. See you later.
It's today not supposed to be the last Thursday of the month.
Oh dear me. Our daughter's visiting day, right? Gosh, I almost forgot. Thank you for reminding me.
It's past 8 a.m. already.
I'm late for work already. Sweetheart, I can't make it. I don't know if you're going to be free or busy in the office today, but either ways, I can send my sister to represent us.
Can you listen to yourself, Sonia? No, like, can you hear yourself talk? A married woman, a specialist on marriage affairs, can you hear yourself talk?
Please, what did I do wrong now?
When will you start living up your responsibilities as a married woman? When will you stop delegating your responsibilities to others? Your marriage should come first before anything else. That's what makes you a successful woman.
Wait a minute. What exactly are you trying to say? No, I need to know why you love picking up unnecessary quarrels with me all the damn time. Like, why do you like exchanging words with me? If you don't do that every day, you'll not be fine, right? Is that it? No, I need to know why. Listen to me, don't you forget things? Why are you sitting here acting like Mr. Perfect? You don't forget things.
Not things like this. Sonia, you don't forget things like this.
Things
you
like
don't.
What? Excuse me, things like what? Educate me, please. Things like what? You of all people know that I've got a whole lot in my head. Like I've got a whole lot of divorce cases to handle. Court cases too. My head is full, for God's sake. Don't you understand?
Here is my point exactly, Sonia. Your marriage should come first before any other thing. Your marriage should always be in your mind. Set your priorities right, for goodness sake. You're a woman, not a man.
You married me as an ambitious woman. You married me as a career-minded woman. From the get-go, you knew what you were getting yourself into. So why are you acting all confused right now? No, why are you complaining? Listen, it's too early to do this with you. And I refuse to partake in this drama. See you later.
That's it. See me later all the time. You don't even care about your family.
Good morning, ma'am.
Julie, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Ma, the couples are here waiting already, ma'am.
2 different couples or just a couple?
4 people are in the reception, 2 husbands and 2 wives.
Oh, really?
What kept you, ma'am?
Julia, it's not important. The most important thing is I'm here now. Okay? Here, take. Get my stuff from the car.
Okay, ma'am.
Mr. Ogolo. Mr. Ogolo, can you stop hooing and go straight to the point? I've got people waiting for me, please.
How do you want me to sign this thing? Eh? Open again we got signed there.
I don't understand. What do you mean by? What do you mean by that?
How can I accept to give her one of my landed properties? Eh? I built those houses with my money. The same way I married her with my money. So if she has made up her mind to go, let her go. Eh? I'm not giving her anything apart from her belongings.
Mr. Ogolo, can I explain something to you?
Oh, Major.
Fine. In divorce case like this, that is based on mutual consent, there is minimum to the things you can let go to have a peaceful divorce. But if you insist, I'll be left with no other option than to have my lawyer write a petition to the judge. And mind you, that the judge might decide, after going through it, that you both share all your properties equally.
No judge will try it. On Apala. No judge will try it.
Fortunately for your wife, and unfortunately for you, the Constitution gave room for that. So long the judge is able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that your wife contributed to the building of those properties.
Huh? It's a build. Joy, or if you go, that you contributed where? Nebezi. She did not contribute anything though.
Calm down. Calm down. Contribution includes your advice, taking care of your kids while you're away for the business of the day, and above all, the most important of all, her moral support. So you see, it mustn't necessarily be about money. No.
I'm bound on one chance. It could be. I got a no one chance come by and women are being again now. Oh, yeah, one.
You see, this is the reason we advise and try to discourage couples for going for divorce over little issues like this that can be settled amicably. Okay? Misunderstandings are bound to happen in marriage. No marriage is perfect. All you need is tolerance and patience, especially you. Alright? If every couple keep going for divorce over little issues like this, I tell you, there won't be any successful marriage again. So, are you still going to sign it? I advise you consider all you stand to lose. You think about it.
You see, to me, I don't want to lose anything in the name of this divorce. You see, so our pet name culture, our pet name bunsubu. As my pet name, it's a me bom niruya. Huh? Why am I being? Oh,
give me.
It's going.
Mark.
Aku nang. Aku dalam bicara. Elewe mwa ebu. Elewe watch a close account. Unga biya one. Let's go.
Leave me alone.
Let's go. Elewe is there a close account. Oh yeah, come on. Don't worry, I will change. In fact, I've changed. I change it. One Yota. Please, I want you to keep the paper. Whether you call it a lawyer, a judge paper, or whatever, just keep it. Just do away with it, okay? We are cool. We can settle.
You should not sign anything.
Where will I sign? Obo Gega sign. Huh?
Okay, that's fine.
Me. Time Joy. Sorry. Omalicha, see. Calm down, eh? See, I have changed. You understand? See, you know, I am so sorry. I know I've wronged you. You understand? But you see, those days, the way we used to be those days that we met newly, eh? I want us to go back to those days. And I promise I won't insult you again. I won't curse you again, okay? Banana, I'm the road. They change you for good. Hey, see, I have changed. Eh? If for petting, or pet, I'm gonna pet to go get I got one bonnet pipe now, what's up? Mananga pet to go. Calm down now. I've changed now.
You go, my people to come by.
You see, from today, I'll be the one to always open door for you and always close it. Love, but and then I also someone again. Oh, I've changed. Hey. Oh, it's me now. Ogologo ma change gum. Eh? Change gum. Come to bag. Let me. You may lose concentration when I give you
Chego du kamputa.
My husband. I have changed. You know, it doesn't take time for somebody to change. So I decided to change. He said people shouldn't be coming in between us. Why would they be telling us how to share our property? Now I've changed, you know. Go. My love, can we stop at the fast food and eat something? Are you not hungry?
I am.
No, cheer up. See, let's go and eat something. See, the man you're seeing now sitting beside you, I am a changed person. I've changed for good. I've changed. Smile small now. Can't you smile? Smile. All right, I understand, but I want you to cheer up, okay? I've changed. Smile. See, don't worry, I've changed. I won't hurt you again. I'm not gonna make you angry again. I won't make you angry again. I've changed for good, okay? Are you fine? Okay. So, which of the restaurants do you prefer? Yes, which of them do you prefer?
5 star.
5 star. Okay, fine. We'll consider it done. Let's go there. Let's drive down, huh? Okay. Smile. Yes. That's my baby. Yeah, my love. Don't worry, relax. Right? Okay, I'm changed. I'm changed for good. Yes.
How can a woman that didn't contribute anything to my property be a shareholder? It's not possible now. No, a woman that didn't contribute anything. She wants me to share my properties with her. Somebody that decided to divorce me, I will not bring my properties and start sharing. Can't cheating now. They want to cheat me. It's not possible.
You know, Kibutu, you want to be up like I know. So, and they don't even want to lose. You want to go?
No. Give one. If you're the one, would you want to lose if you're the one? I won't lose now. Should be we fought your pet name. She wants me to be calling her pet names instead of me to lose my property or to share my properties with her. Oh, your pet name now. Pet name got talk. I'm your pet name now. Pet name is America. Let me call her pet name. Let my properties remain for me.
Emma, busy when you.
Emma, bro.
Imegwa na agụ. Nwanne m kpọba na onye Igbo. Ịma na ọ bụ onye Igbo. Nne m Igbo amaka. Nwanne m onye Igbo amaka no. You are confirming Igbo man. Get a go. Igbo man no dey lose guard.
At all now. At all. Like this now, they just want to scam me. I want to say wayo now, if not like this now. They want to scam me.
Me, I am happy that you uche guard again. Otago. Ibe is one Igbo. Confirm one Igbo. Go. Maka dey lose guard here. Am I again?
No, but I draw possible now. She can't try that. I can't try that.
Whatever food you want, and I'll buy you ice cream, your favorite.
Yay! I'll eat ice cream today.
You want ice cream, right? That's my baby girl. That's my baby girl. Welcome. So where is Daddy?
He's in the kitchen.
Kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back, Angel. Continue with my watch.
Sorry. Honey, you're back. How's work today? I know you must be very tired by now. Why don't you go up, have your shower while I prepare your dinner? I know you can't wait to eat my food.